So this is one of the most produced aircraft ever, actually. They say that there's 42,000 of these, all the different variants of this aircraft, making it the second most produced aircraft of all time behind the Cessna 172. However, this model, the IL-2, they made, what was it, 32,000? Let's see what it says on the sign here. You got a sign. Maybe I'll read the whole sign. Right here. Maybe I'll go out a little bit. All right, there we go. The story of this airplane. This plane was restored using parts from 4 wrecks discovered in the northwestern regions of the former Soviet Union. The IL-2 serial number 305401 makes up a large percentage of this aircraft. The plane was constructed in Kubyshev in the mid-1943 and was assigned to the 828th Attack Aviation Regiment on the Lower Karelian Front. On October 10th, 1944, the plane was hit by anti-aircraft fire while attacking an airfield and crashed near the Titovka River. The plane was discovered in a nameless lake by searchers scouting the area with a helicopter in 1991. When raised to the surface, the recovery crew found that the IL-2 still had its complement of rockets and bombs under the wings. Look at that air filter sticking out the side. So that's rough field use, dirt field use. They're taking care of the engine. Can't be too many of these around. So this is built up from 4 to make all these pieces. Probably a lot of it is made new. The skins are probably all new. And here she sits like she's brand new. There's something taken off outside. What a graceful plane. Beautiful design. I wish the control stick wasn't all the way aft right now and that tail was all lined up. And somebody wound the trim tabs all the way down. Or maybe they fly like that. Maybe it's... So they had to recover 4 of these airplanes to make this one. What does that make this particular one worth? Well, there's one in the paper right now for about 800,000 US. It might not be as nice as this one, but they do say it's flyable. Oh, there's some more people. There's people in this museum. So crowded. There's a guy named Jason Fortenbacher that operates a YouTube channel and a website called Fight to Fly Photography. And he lives nearby at this museum. And every time they fire one of these things up, he's over here and he films it. And if you want to see all the airplanes in this museum flying, engines running, starting, all that stuff going on, head over to Fight to Fly Photography. Have a look at their website. And Jason has been kind enough to let me use his footage so I can show you these airplanes running. The aircraft in this museum have not flown since 2019. And the fellow that owns all these planes, he might be building a really great museum for all of them, because he has quite a few planes now. The collection is bigger than this facility. Boy, this plane's got some beautiful lines. The tail's gorgeous. Right by the open door, right next to a Mosquito and a P-47, all of which who fly.